country home decorating tips and tricks. If you belong to those groups of individuals who rarely care about glamour and over-the-top designs for your home, then the country style is definitely your cup of joe. Its popularity with the masses is simply timeless because it combines calm with a bit of chic. It's a comfortable way of dressing up your home, minus all the fuss. Albeit ageless in its appeal, this kind of theme has undergone several evolutions through the years. Some 20 years ago, the typical charm of the adorable little country house was very much in demand. However, as time progressed, the French-inspired style caught on and eventually became the new trend. This was also influenced by a more rugged Western look. Nowadays, the country style has become a bit more modern with the addition of crisp fabrics in vibrant white and pieces made from natural stone. It has come a long way from your idea of the regular primitive farm shack. If getting all down and dirty isn't your style, then you can pick a more polished country home design. Try adding a touch of French influence in your decorating plans. This can be done in two easy ways. First, you can mix in accessories and walls in combinations of black and white to lend a more elegant appeal. But if you are a follower of the toile pattern that comes in blue and red, then don't hold back because this style is still quite popular, not to mention very French. While the charm of the rooster-type decor remains infectious, too many cock-a-doodle-doos around the house could cause migraine headaches for some folk in your family. Be sure you use this colorful and fancy accessory in areas that need it the most. Otherwise, you'll end up with a house that looks more like a barn.